Alright guys and girls, Froggy here. Just a quick update on this job. On another video I showed you replacing this cold water supply line, and I just couldn't get the leak to stop even with a new supply line. In my opinion, there was some defect in that supply line, either the little gasket inside or some microscopic little leak, I don't know. Anyway, I ordered some new ones. I ordered stainless, and pay attention now, this is not the braided stainless that goes over a plastic inner pipe. This is just a piece of stainless, and the reason I did that is it bends easier than copper to me, so I can bend it into shape a little bit better. I'll put a link in the description, in the comments, excuse me. So now I'm going to test this out. Come to find out, I also had a leak on the hot side, so I ordered a set of these and I replaced them both. And I would recommend to you, if you're ever going to do one of them, just do both of them. And my recommendation to you is also go with the stainless steel instead of the copper, so you can bend it a little easier. So a little detail, this side had a shut-off, this side did not have a shut-off. So what I did was I put a drain hose right down there in the middle of your computer screen. I put a drain hose on the tank. I shut off the water to the whole house. There's an outside shut off. Most houses have an outside shut off. I shut this off. Right now it's filling up again. You might be able to hear it. For this, I just kept all the hot water and all the cold water faucets shut. So there's going to be a little bit of drip when you disconnect this, but not a whole lot, because the suction, if you don't have any faucets open upside of this, if you don't have any faucets open, the water is not going to drain out. Okay, think of a straw. If you suck up on a straw and you put your finger on the top of the straw, the water stays in the straw, right? And then you let your finger off and the water goes out. Same principle. So there was a little bit of leakage after I did that, but not too bad. So this doesn't really have to be as big a deal as some other people will make it out to be. Now I'm going to run a washing machine and test this out. And I might need to tighten any one of these up a little tiny bit more. Cross your fingers for me that all this will work with these new supply lines, okay? Okay, so this is the one that leaked. Brasscraft. I don't know if they're all crap, but this one was a piece of shit. Don't buy it. This one was, the other one was leaking after 25 years, so I can't really, Apollo, I can't really blame them if they lasted 25 years. And then this one, I didn't even try this one. Anyway, I'm going to go on my other video. I'm going to remove the link for this, and I'll put a note on my other video that it didn't work. And, let me tell you what these stainless ones are. Hold on. Okay, this is Eastman, all right? The stainless ones are Eastman. And I'll put a link in this new video, so you can find these on Amazon, okay? Bye. Oh, give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out, bye-bye. This is 10 minutes later. The washer's running, a couple other faucets running, all nice and dry and tight. Okay, looks like this one worked. One last note, by the way. Even with the way I did this, air gets into most of the pipes. So when you turn the water back on, expect the pressure of the water to push the air out of the pipes until all the air is finally purged out of the pipes. So they're going to go okay? I hope you like those sound effects. Froggy out. Bye-bye.